going anywhere near that bun. Why is she eyeing me? I ain't got nothing.
You kicked her food.
She's gonna find it. Look, she found it. She's got it. She's like, mine. Run away, before the others come and steal it.
Delicious, huh?
She's spitting out the plastic. She's got that. She's got it gone. See what you did?
Here comes the elder male. Finish it before you get bitch slapped by your man.
Oh, look, she's ready to run because all the monkeys are coming after her.
Attack!
They're like, she's got a ton of food. We want it. The one's still got the wrapper hanging out of its mouth. You've caused a monkey fight.
I've ended a marriage. Wonder if I can do that for my teacher.
You know, there are signs all over campus that say, do not feed the monkeys, right?
What?
It says, do not feed any stray dogs or monkeys. And he's sitting there giving them buns. Oh, okay. My